How to use crypto scalping bots. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on crypto scalping bots, how we can use it, and which one of the platform is actually better for you to use for your crypto scalping when you want to earn profit. So let's get started. So today I am going to be using Pionex.com. Pionex.com is one of the very famous scalping bots out there for crypto, and it's world's leading platform. We will be able to dual investment. There is a trade option. We can deposit our funds really easily, and also there is a marketplace. So I will give you a tutorial on Pionex, and if you are looking for a scalping bot for your crypto, then you can definitely go ahead and check out Pionex.com. So let's get into it. First of all, once you get to pionex.com, you will have to create an account. So creating an account is really easy. You can just create an account with your email address, and then you will have to verify your email. Once you have your account, then this is where you will get, you can see this is my account on Pionex. So the very first thing we do is we deposit some funds into our wallet. So we can like deposit some USD, and then we can also check it out in BTC. So to deposit fund, you will simply go to deposit option right here in wallet, and here you will be able to see your funds. So you can see right here the minimum deposit limit is 1 if you have selected USDT. So first you can select what you want to add to your wallet. Now we can deposit Bitcoins, we can deposit Cardano, Ethereum, AP, then we have Mana, and a lot of other Doji. All of the different coins are available to deposit, but what we like to do is, what I personally do is I deposit USDT because that's like a little easier. And then we have like total balance here, and then you can select your, token from here, your network. So there is TRC20, ERC20, BEP20, and Omni. So I'm gonna go with BEP20 because what happens is that it has like, it's a little cheaper than others. I prefer it, and it's like a Binance network. So you can go with this one, or you can go with any of these. I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and using scalping bots involve a high degree of risk, or rather you afford to lose money. So make sure that you truly understand crypto, and then you can simply use scalping bots. That being said, let's continue. So here I am, and I have selected this and this. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna deposit the funds to my account. So that is how you deposit. And when it comes to withdrawing your funds, we get the withdraw option right here on Pionex, and you can just withdraw if you have any funds, and you will be able to see your history right here, your transactional history. Pionex is also available as an app, and you can just use it as an application, which is more easier for you to use. Then we have our own address book given here, and trade option and earn. Similarly, we have trade, market, earn, buy crypto, and support option right here. So let me show you the markets available on Pionex now. All right, so on Pionex, we know that we can actually go ahead and automate our work. The reason we use a scalping bot is so it helps us automate our work. We can actually scalp our crypto process. So what we need to do first is you will select a coin, and we have all of these different assets available. You can see if I select USDT, we have Bitcoin and USDT. So these are different pairs available. So we have BTC and USDT, Ethereum USDT, Solana USDT, AP, then we have others as well. So I'm gonna go with this one and check it out. All right, here we are inside our trading window. Now you can see, first of all, we have our order book. This is the order book for the one that I have selected. So I have selected BTC and USDT, and this is going to be the price, and all these prices are live prices. So this is the live price for the pair that I have selected. Keep in mind the prices I'm showing you right now are actually at the time of making this video, so they may vary when you are checking out Pionex. So we have right here, then we have fight price, 24-hour high and 24-hour low as well. So this is the value for this pair right here. Now this is our trading window right here, and you can see with each point I'm getting a 24-hour low, 24-hour high. I'm getting my trading view, and we get all of these different tools as well when it comes to using the trading window. So I have different, these forks, and I have text, scales, and measurements that I can actually, keep track of my trading. And that's what we do when it comes to using a crypto scalping bot, because we need to automate our work. So what we can do is we can actually go ahead and mark that, okay, this is the price where it's the highest, and then this is the price where it's lowest, so that like we can like mark things here, and that's how it's going to be working. Like you can use any of the tools from here. Similarly, we have trading board right here, and here you will be seeing your history. Now this is important, this part right here. You can see trading board. Now this is where I will be able to see all of the boards available on Pionex, because you can see trading boards, and I have a grid trading, 24-hour volume, auto buy low and sell high. So in this board, what I can do is it will be automatic, and it will buy the coin whenever it's low and sell it whenever it's the highest. So I don't even have to keep track and keep looking at the window day and night and keep track of everything. What I can do is I can just use the boat. The next boat we get on Pionex is going to be martingale boat. What is a martingale boat? It is a DCA buy one time sells. So here you will be able to sell one time. Moving on, we have spot future arbitrage boat. So this is going to be 15 to 50% APR with low risk. So this involves low risk. Then we have rebalancing boat. So create your own index. In here, I can create my own index. Now, it depends on me what kind of boat I want to create. So let's go ahead and create a grid trading boat. First of all, please turn on to a factor. Okay, so we can like do it later, and I will just, you know, okay, let me actually bind. So this is just for the security. What we can do is we can add our, you know, double security so that our boards are secure. So now you can just like click on create, and after that you will be able to create the boat, and the boats you have will be shown right here. You can see if you click on the boats, it will take you to my bots detail. And here you will be getting all of your boats, and you can check out that how your boats are doing and what's happening. So again, we have like a grid boat, then we have a martingale boat, spot futures, arbitrage, then there's rebalancing boat, leverage grid, margin grid. So all of these different bots help us automate our work using Pionex. So if we go to the earn, we have a trial fund and structured option. In buy crypto, we can buy crypto with our credit card. So that is actually an ease when it comes to Pionex, so we can buy our crypto with our simple credit card. So I don't even have to, you know, go through all of these. The hardest thing to buy a crypto is that we have to go through a lot of process. So this is like the easiest way to buy crypto. And then if we talk about the trade option right here, it will again take me to my trading window, so I can just like switch to trade anytime, and it will open up the trade window. Again, we can go back to the markets, and let me actually show you some of the pairs available. So these are going to be the spot. This is like spot market right here, and all of the spot pairs. And then we have leverage trading available as well. For leverage, we have all of these different pairs available. This is going to be the meaning. So meaning is like for this one, ETH2L USDT. This means Ethereum 2x long. So you will be able to see the meaning right here if it's long or short. And then we have the price right here, fight price, 24-hour volume, and 24-hour change. You can see the values are updated every second. So using Pionex is you keep updated, and you have the ability to simply automate your work. Moving on, we have ranks right here. So if I go to ranks, it will actually show me one of the very high ranked coins, and I will be able to see the coin cap. And now I can go to the arbitrage right here, gainer or loser as well. So these are coin caps, and you can see we have like 7 of them here. Or if it's scroll down, so okay, so we have 7 of them. BTC at top, and then we have Ethereum, USDT, USDC, BNB, XRP, and BUSD. So you can go with any of these. Again, we're seeing the circulation and occupation here. We have the price, fight price, and cap, and 24-hour change given here. So I can like move on to the arbitrage next, gain, and then check out the losers as well. So using a Pionex is really easy, and what you can do is you can simply go ahead and start using Pionex to actually automate your work, and it will allow you to create the boards that you want, and you will be able to save time as well as trade in crypto very easily and earn your profits. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.